Hello students, welcome to MBK study. In this video I am going to explain you about what is evaporation, process of evaporation and factors affecting the rate of evaporation. So without delay, let's start the topic. Students, when wet clothes dry, you will notice that water in the clothes disappears. Where does the water go? So the answer is water changes to vapor and mix in surrounding air. Similarly, when the floor of a room is washed with water, the water on the floor disappears within a minute and the floor becomes dry. Why does water on the floor disappear after some time? Simple, the answer is because of evaporation. So let us understand what is evaporation and how the evaporation will take place by using an activity. Take a few drops of spirit on your palm using a dropper. Now after some time you will feel that your palm become cool. Why does your skin become cooler? So simple answer, spirit absorbs heat from palm and it evaporates. In the same way, one more activity. Take a few drops of spirit, let us say 1 ml into petri dish. Petri dish is nothing but it is a shallow glass or it is a plastic cylinder shape. It is used in the laboratory. So you have to take the two petri dish separately and you have to take a few drops of spray to let it be 1 ml. Keep one of the dishes containing spirit under a ceiling fan. Keep another dish with its lid closed. Observe the quantity of spirit in both the dishes after 5 minutes. What do you notice? You will notice that the spirit in the dish that is kept under the fan disappears, whereas you will find some spirit left in the dish that is kept in the lidded dish. What could be the reason for this change? The reason is because evaporation increases with increased wind speed on the surface. You need to understand the process of evaporation. The molecules of spirit that is kept in petri dish continuously move with random speeds in various directions. As a result, these molecules collide with other molecules. During the collision, they transfer the energy to other molecules. When the molecules inside the liquid collide with molecules at the surface, the molecules at the surface acquired energy and may fly off from the surface. Some of these escaping molecules may be directed back into liquid when they collide with the particles of air. If the number of escaping molecules is greater than number returned, then the number of molecules in the liquid decreases. Then, when a liquid is exposed to air, the molecules at the surface keep on escaping from the surface till the entire liquid disappears into air. So this process is called evaporation. So during the process of evaporation, you can see the energy of molecules inside the liquid decreases. Due to the decrease in the energy, they slow down. They transfer this energy to escaping molecules during the collisions. So in simple way, we can say that evaporation is nothing but it is a process of escaping of molecules. From where it is escaping? From the surface of liquid. At what temperature? At any temperature. So the process of escaping of molecules from surface of liquid at any temperature is called evaporation. Or in other words, we can say the change of phase from liquid to gas that occur at the surface of liquid at any temperature Any temperature, it is very important here. Don't forget to write any temperature in the definition. If you won't write at any temperature in the definition, the definition goes wrong. So you should be very careful while writing the definition. Once again, the change of phase from liquid to gas that occurs at the surface of the liquid at any temperature is called evaporation. Now let us determine the reason for faster evaporation of spirit kept under the fan. If air is blown over the liquid surface in an open pan or petri dish, the number of molecules returned is reduced to a large extent. This is because any molecule escaping from the surface is blown away or fly away from the surrounding of the liquid. This increases the rate of evaporation. This is the reason why the spirit in petri dish or pan that is kept under ceiling fan evaporates quickly when compared to that kept closed. You'll notice that the clothes dry faster when a wind is blowing. So here, due to the closed lid, you can see the escaping molecules are very less. So due to the escaping molecules are less, here evaporation is also less. Here, due to the open area, wind speed is increases. Due to increase in the wind speed, you can see the evaporation is also fast, it takes place. So here evaporation, it is a surface phenomenon, it takes place from the surface, and we can also say that it is a cooling process. Evaporation is a cooling process because the particle of liquid continuously gives up their energy to the particles that are escaping from the surface. Why do we sweat after while doing work? When you do work, we spend our energy mostly in the form of heat energy from the body. As a result, the temperature of the skin becomes higher and the water in the sweat glands start evaporating. So due to this, evaporation takes place, and this evaporation cools the body. Factors depends on rate of evaporation. First factor, surface area. Let us see an example. Take a china dish and a test tube. Take 10 ml of spirit in each of them. Keep the china dish and test tube with a spirit in air under the classroom. Outside the classroom. Observe the volume of spirit remained in both the china dish and the test tube. We observe that volume of spirit remain in china dish is less than the volume of spirit remained in test tube. So by this we can conclude that rate of evaporation liquid depends on surface area. So in short, we can say more surface area, more evaporation. If surface area is less, evaporation is also less. It means evaporation, it takes place slow. Let's see the second factor, temperature. Example. Take 2 beakers and fill them with equal volume of water. Now place one beaker under the sun and another beaker on a cloudy day. Leave the beaker for some time, then observe the volume in both the beakers. We observe that volume of water remains less in the beaker kept under sun than the beaker kept on a cloudy day. So on a sunny day, you can see the rate of evaporation will be higher than on a cloudy day. So in short, we can say if the temperature is high, then rate of evaporation will be higher. If the temperature is less, that is on cloudy day, then rate of evaporation will be slow. Third factor, humidity. Example, take 100 ml of spirit in 2 dishes. Keep one dish in hot air, that is outside the classroom. Keep second dish in the classroom and switch off all fans and lights and also close all the doors. Observe the volumes of spirit remain in 2 dishes after 10 minutes. The volume of spirit remains in the dish kept at outside the classroom is less than in the classroom. We know that water vapor present in air is more in the classroom. Hence, the rate of evaporation is less. So in short, we can say water vapor present in air is nothing but here it means the humidity is more. So water vapor present in air is more in classroom, it means humidity is more in classroom. If humidity is more, you can say the rate of evaporation is less. So in short, we can say if the humidity is more, evaporation is less. If humidity is less, evaporation will be more. So students, I hope you must have liked this video. If so, please like this video and share it with all your friends. Tell us how you like this video by writing it in the comment box. And if you are not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to MBK Study and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any of the videos that follows. Thank you.